a big amount of wealth. And that wealth, when gotten, is at the expense of the development of the country. So it's to come back after retirement and amassing such a huge amount of wealth, whether legally or illegally, it is also because of the positions that they held that they amassed that much of that level of wealth. There is no way that somebody who is listed or an estate that is listed as probably being the richest, amongst the top richest people in the world, can now come to Kenya and say, we cannot pay taxes because we serve the nation. The nation was served, but so were those families served by this country. And the kind of wealth that they have, if they pay taxes, in fact, it should be something that they should have volunteered to pay, because they have developed the country in some way, but the wealth that they have amassed, if they pay taxes, it helps this country to develop. And anyone who has taken a leadership position in this country should want to pay taxes so that the country can develop. We are struggling right now with poverty. We are struggling right now with debt. And we know that the biggest reasons for these struggles is corruption.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Member for Nairobi County.
For me, I support the petitioner.
Thank you very much. Honorable members, I encourage you to take a minute each, because they are just